Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change date of birth on Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to the Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to the settings or to your profile. Now scroll down and here go to see your about info. Now scroll down and here you will find your birth date or date of birth in the basic info section. Just tap on the pencil icon and here you can just change your date of birth in here, whatever you need to change into. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. And once you are done with it, just tap on save on the top right unless and it won't be saved if you don't tap on save. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.